Hi, my Dee BeeZees. How are you guys doing today? I'm doing good. I'm doing a quick, mussel and eggs with the sauce I had left over from when we went to the buffet the other day. It was like yesterday. So hopefully I get this video up in time so it don't look like it's super dated. But hi guys, I'm here. Got my hood on. It's raining outside, so I just came in from the rain and it's still a little chilly. So I'm gonna sit here. I'm gonna eat my mussels and my eggs, and I got my water. I don't even have my big thermos with me. That's how quick I put this one together. But I want you guys to enjoy. Let me say my prayers. Thank you, Jesus, for this food I'm about to receive to nourish my body. Amen. And here we go, because I'm hungry. It's time to eat. So how's everyone doing today? I'm doing pretty good. Just got a little hungry. Oh. Sauce is even better the next day. How many agree that if you cook a big meal, you eat it, but then you warm it up the next day, it's like the bomb? So good. But have me some eggs and some mussels. And I lightly boiled these eggs, so it's still some yolk left. That's good. If y'all hear a lot of background noise, that's the rain, because it's coming down. It is coming down, down, down. The rain is coming down. Down, down, down. The rain is coming down. I got these mussels from Kroger's. They are delicious. The yolk. That's good. It's so good. This is gonna be the quickest video ever. So how many people saw the movie Us? I finally watched it, and I get it. I like Jordan Peele and where he was going with this. What I was kind of saddened about was that how the little girls, they did switch, and a fake little girl ended up winning, and the real one ended up losing. I don't want to give away too much, but I thought it was a good movie. And I also think, not to give too much away for those that didn't see it, but I also think the little boy had got switched on one of the trips. What y'all think? I gotta adjust, because they said he started acting weird after his grandmother's death, so I think that he had got switched also. But I thought it was a good movie, personally. And not to be jumping around, but how many deadheads we got who watched The Walking Dead? Oh my goodness. The last episode was, oh, I cried because we lost a few key players. Enid, Tara, and Henry. Although Henry, he is being very questionable, but still sad because now Carol is about to turn up. I can't wait till the season finale tomorrow, because yes, it's Saturday, and I'll be posted watching. That was a good episode. And if that happened before the season finale, I wonder what this season finale about to be about. Because honey baby, when I tell you, they're about to come through. I hope Alpha ready. Because she sent the message to the wrong crew. But that's one of my favorite shows. The Walking Dead. Everybody know. Don't call me between 9 and 10:15 on a Sunday. Because I'm tuned in. This is good. Kind of makes me wish I did go get my lobster tails. That rain was coming down. I was out in that all day. I had to come in the house. Doing too much. Guys, fingers. This sauce is good. Red cup. Don't worry, it's just water. I know it normally goes in red cups. Mm. Alright, y'all, I'm almost done. Mm. Mm. That went quick. We got 3 mussels left. I just needed a snack. A little snack. A little something, something. Something that's yummy for my tummy. It's yummy for my tummy. It's yummy for my tummy. And my last one. I did this so fast. Wow, that went super quick. And I still got a lot of sauce left. What am I gonna do? But I'm gonna tell y'all to do this before I go. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Let everybody know what Dee does. Dee does eggs and mussels today. Never know what it might be tomorrow, because it's all yummy for my tummy. Or you might see one of my scratching videos. Anyway, you know my motto. Always make your haters your motivators and keep God first. Bye. Look at pants. Okay. I'm gonna cut it off. I use my paper towel for my little storage thing. Now I'm just stuck. Alrighty, let's see. Bye, Dee BeeZees.